Nelson Mandela once said, "Education is the most powerful weapon which you can change the world." Today, we explore the power of student-centered learning approach. This innovative method puts students at the heart of learning, shaping their educational journey to suit their individual needs and strengths. We'll be discussing its defining features, the educator's role. The curriculum role, teacher involved pedagogical implications, its incredible benefits, and how to overcome potential challenges. So buckle up as we delve into the world of student-centered learning. Student-centered learning, as the name suggests, puts students at the heart of the learning process. This approach flips the traditional teaching model on its head, rather than teachers being the sole source of knowledge. Student-centered learning invites students to become active participants seeking and interpreting knowledge on their own. This method values critical thinking, creativity, and self-discovery, creating an environment where students take ownership of their learning journey in essence. Empower students, making them active participants in their education. So, how do educators navigate this shift towards a more student centric approach? Well, it begins with a change in mindset. Seeing a student as the active participant and the teacher as a guide, then there are practical strategies that can be into action. One of these is project based learning, where students engage in real world problems or challenges driving their curiosity and desire to learn. It's about moving away from the rote memorization and towards deeper understanding. Another strategy is collaborative activities, where students work together learning and teaching each other. This is not only promotes teamwork but also enhance the learning experience through diverse perspectives. Personalized instruction is also key. Each student is unique, so a one size fits all approach just doesn't cut it. Instead, teachers tailor their instructions to meet individual needs, turning learning into a more engaging and effective process. It's all about creating a supportive environment that fosters curiosity and encourages students to take charge of their learning, of course, transitioning to a student centered approach. Its challenges there can be resistance to change, a moving from a teacher led model to one where students take reins can be a significant shift. It requires educators to rethink their teaching styles and methodology. It's not just about change, it also requires extensive planning and preparation to ensure that the curriculum meets the needs of each student. But don't forget, there are a solutions. Emphasizing the import of continuous professional development can help educators stay equipped with the latest techniques and strategies for student-centered teaching. Additionally, adopting flexible teaching strategies. Create an environment that stimulates student engagement, enhance academic performance, and ultimately nurtures lifelong learners.